In this video, you'll learn how to connect Google Drive to Notion. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully integrated your Google Drive files into your Notion workspace. Start by opening the Google Chrome browser on your computer. This browser is recommended for optimal compatibility with Notion and Google Drive. Next, navigate to the Notion website by entering the URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will be presented with the Notion interface where you can begin the connection process. After that, locate the menu icon, typically found in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for managing your workspace. Now, select the option labeled Add a Page. This action allows you to create a new page where you can embed your Google Drive content. Once you've created a new page, click on the blank space on the page to activate editing mode. This will allow you to input commands and embed content effectively. Type in Google Drive within the blank page. This action will trigger Notion to recognize that you want to connect to your Google Drive account. Once you see the options populate, click on the Embeds option. This will help you access the integration features that connect Notion with external applications. Following this, click on the Browse Google Drive option. This selection will prompt a new window to open, displaying your Google Drive files and folders. When the new window appears, choose the option to connect Google account or select your account if prompted. This step is essential for authorizing Notion to access your Google Drive content. Next, you will see a list of files in your Google Drive. Click on the specific file you wish to embed in Notion. This selection is crucial for ensuring you link the correct document. After selecting the file, click on the Select button to finalize your choice. This action confirms your intention to embed the selected Google Drive file into Notion. At this point, you will receive a confirmation that Google has now connected with Notion. This integration allows you to access and display your Google Drive files seamlessly within your Notion workspace. Ensure that your internet connection is stable throughout this process, as slow upload speeds may affect the connection time. Additionally, check your available storage in Google Drive to avoid any issues when selecting files.